Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your headphones with the phone. Firstly, I recommend it to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud, just remove this application from the application list and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for your audio player application. And update if you haven't. Okay, if the restart didn't help you, and update also. Next step is to restart your phone. I use these headphones with the phone. If you use it with a tablet, you need to restart your tablet. And after that check, if it didn't fix this problem, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to firstly remove them from the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click at the Forget this device button or Forget device, or Remove or Unpair, it depends on the phone. No, not disconnect, forget and forget device. Now, your headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, of course if your headphones turn on, and you know it by the LED light was blinking blue and red. So then you need to press and hold at the same time volume up button and volume down button until the LED light turn off. So let's do this. Here we go. Now we need to turn on them, but there is a problem. I don't know, is it only for these headphones or for this model? I personally hold the power button, but as you can see nothing happened. The funniest that actually mute and mute button work. We see this LED light. So the solution is to connect them to the power. Now you see the red LED light, then you can remove this cable and now we can turn on them. Then these headphones, you will see them at the device list. By the way, if you have Android, after you perform the factory reset, you need to click Pair New Device button. But not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. Then you will see them at the device list, tap at your headphones, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!